Marriage is a fundamental right. That's exactly the declaration that the petitioners wanted from the Supreme Court of India. Well, the same-sex couples or this LGBTQ right activists that went before the Supreme Court basically argued that if heterosexual couples have a right to enter into the institution of marriage and get a lot of ancillary rights like succession, right to sign on each other medical forms, open joint bank accounts, all of those rights should also be given to the homosexual couples. Now, in an important development today, the Supreme Court basically was presented with an option by the central government. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that the central government is open to the option of considering grant of certain civil rights which is short of marriage to the same-sex couples. Now, what are these pressing concerns that the central government is talking about? For example, the right to sign on a medical form if one of the partner is undergoing a medical treatment, the opportunity to have joint financial declaration or have joint bank accounts, or a right to have some kind of interest in each other property. Now, all these rights are certain civil rights. The central government said that multiple departments of the government will be brought together on a table, and these demands of the petitioners will be put forward to the specialized committee. Now, one would wonder that from the point of seeking a complete declaration that marriage is a fundamental right, they want nothing short of marriage equality, how come there is a step down which has happened from the Supreme Court of India? Which is about the fact that, not a complete recognition of same-sex marriage, but only some limited civil rights which are going to be granted. There are a variety of reasons for it. First, of course, is the broad ambit of personal laws in this country. The fact that there is no uniform civil code, the fact that there is a Hindu Marriage Act, there is Islamic personal law, and then there is a Christian Marriage Act. All these diverse personal laws make it extremely difficult for the Supreme Court of India to come with any kind of codified set of laws or a civil institution of marriage. The kind of jurisprudence, the kind of legal backing that an institution of this nature, same-sex marriage, that it will require, right now the legal ground in the country is not right. What looks like at this point is that the Supreme Court is offering to the petitioners that take something short of a marriage. I must reiterate that the matter is not over. The hearing is on at the court, but the bench largely unanimously is of the view. But if this is an option which the central government is offering, then the petitioners should take that option or at least try before that committee. Let's see what that happens, but legally speaking, the ground is not ripe for same-sex marriages in the country, and perhaps the committee appointed by the central government will be able to address a lot of such questions.